I started my journey with this type of keyboards with booting, and it was pretty expensive, and then it was Fizz from Red Dragon, which is like double cheaper but still pretty expensive, and all other different keyboards. But today I have this one, and this is BOYI 66Pro, super affordable gaming mechanical keyboard with magnetic switches, with rapid trigger and all of these functions, and even with 8K pulling rate. So first of all, guys, what you will have as a kit for this keyboard in this package, you will have some additional keycaps, simple switch and keycap puller, USB-C, USB-A cable, keyboard itself. Today I have a white version. Guys sent me this keyboard for testing and review, and I'm really appreciate this. So first of all, you may see that we don't have F-roll, right? So it's rather more minimalistic keyboard, which is usually used for gaming more, right? What is good, we have a metal knob and it's super precise without any wobbling, which is good, right? We have only two keys on this side, page up and page down, but we have arrow keys, which is great, right? And on the bottom side we have a Win or Mag switch and adjustable legs. Let's check what we have as a keycaps and switches. From the keycaps, I don't know, I was not able to find exact information, but I think this is a double shot ABS shine through keycaps. Under the keycaps we have a magnetic mechanical switches, and I found, and this is LATENPOW magnetic strawberry switch, and it's linear, right, with 30 grams force. And you know what is interesting? That they are equal from the structural point of view to the Gatron Jade switch, and I already did a test, and I can change this switch to this switch and it will still works, right? The only one difference I can see on the bottom side, so this original LATENPOW switch, we have a kind of open design, and this Gatron we have a closed design. That's why we have a different sound, and you will be able to hear the difference in the sound today. Okay guys, so here you go. Please check this closer. On the top you see this LATENPOW magnetic switch, and on the bottom side you can see the Gatron. So basically it's two different. I can see two different things, right? There's this closed and open design on the bottom of the switch and different stem. Okay guys, I wouldn't say that it was super easy, but also it was not the hardest plastic bottom and top shells, right? And inside we have just a PCB sandwich with all these layers. So basically we have a paron underneath, then we have kind of already painter type mod. You see this layer, it's very similar to what I'm usually doing with painter type, so it's already implemented, so you don't need to do this. Then we have a PCB, and we have another layer of paron, and we have a metal switch plate, I think it's metal, and we have even switch layer pad, right? Which is great, and that's why this keyboard is sound so cool for this budget. You'll hear it in a second. If you will be able to find another case, for example aluminum one, it would be great. So in general you will have a great keyboard. Okay guys, ready for initial sound test, because it will be one more with Gatron switches and another keycaps. Pretty nice sound, and it's not a big surprise for me, because with a given structure of the PCB sandwich it should sound like this. Before you will use this keyboard with different actuation points. I suggest you do the calibration of all keys. I already done it for this keyboard. So you will set a level for all of them, and then you can, for example, select your AWSD, and you see I already put it on 0.5 millimeters, but you can do it from 0.1 to 4.0 as I mentioned at the beginning. So let's assume I want to 0.5, then you need to apply, and it will be saved within the keyboard, and that's all. Now you have your different actuation point for different keys. You can obviously set something else for other keys, for example, I don't know, 3.5 for these guys, right? And you have it. And if you will back to this initial keys, you will see that it's set at to 0.5, so it remembers the settings, obviously, right? From the other stuff you have different advanced keys settings, you have lightings, you can do the different speed, direction, brightness, and all of that, right? Macro, which is very useful but very standard function for everybody, and key map. So what is related to 8000 Hz pooling rate? I'm not able to check it by myself because I don't know how to do it. I found this application called Keyboard Checker, and you see I've done some testing, and right now I'm in investigation like how to read this data, how to read this report. I found the Discord server, and I asked this question to the owner of this application, how to read the data. So as soon as I will understand how to test keyboards with this keyboard inspection tool, I will post on my YouTube channel a separate post with a screenshot from testing of this keyboard and explanation what exact pooling rate I was able to test. So now let me change these switches to Gateron Jade switch. First of all, to double check that it's still working with magnetic switches and the keyboard works and driver works, right? And also I have another set of keycaps from BOYI, this green matcha keycap set. It's a different type of keycaps, different profile and different quality. So you will be able to see and hear the new sound test and new look of this keyboard, just in case if you're wondering how we can change or modify this keyboard in general. Okay, there we go. This is how this PCB looks with Gateron switches. So we can continue with the keycaps, right? Okay, you see this keycap set perfectly match the layout of this keyboard, so I will put a link for these products in the description of this video if you want to check exactly the same products, the same keycaps. But now, what is the most important? Let's do the new sound test. I just love the sound, really. With these keycaps, almost all keyboards sounds amazing. Take into account that we have a perfect structure of this keyboard, and with these Gateron switches, they're a little bit different because they're closed on the bottom side. They literally sounds different, even that they're absolutely equal to this original switches, right? So obviously it's up to you, style and how it looks like and all of that. But in general, what I can say, keyboard is great, keyboard is super budget. You can have something super expensive, right, as my main keyboard from Keychron, or you can have with the same function, with the same rapid trigger, something very budget. So you have a full range of options on the market, and I really can recommend check this out. It's very simple, but with all needed function inside mechanical keyboard with rapid trigger, and what is super interesting, compatible with Gateron magnetic switches. So you can experiment, you can change, and you can have pretty everything what you might need from the gaming mechanical keyboard. Thank you for watching, stay tuned, see you next time.